99% of coaches on this app or TikTok will tell you that circumstances don't matter. These niggas will tell you to double down on your techniques or to affirm more or to be more consistent, but they never give you the behind the scenes as to why the circumstance doesn't matter in the first place. Because once you learn this, it'll be way easier to integrate what you're doing into your life and understand everything is fine. You're going to be good no matter what. So in today's video, I'm gonna slice through all the limits and beliefs, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why circumstances don't mean shit. If you want help getting consistent results, I do one-on-one coachings and step-by-step walkthroughs. So if you want to go tap into that, link in description. Now, the first thing I need you to understand, and this is going to be a foundational belief, is that the 3D is a mirror to who you are. Now, since the 3D is a mirror to who you are in your awareness, it is not meant to be taken personally, bro. Your circumstances do not define you as the fourth dimensional awareness that's experiencing all this shit. You are just observing a character in the avatar, right? And these circumstances is the script that this avatar is experiencing. But you as the fourth dimensional awareness can select a different script. It can select a different timeline or reality, right? This is where you get reality transurfing from, my nigga. So when you visualize, you're tapping into another reality, right? And when you identify with that visualization, that becomes your awareness. That becomes what you're aware of, right? So whatever you're aware of, you start identifying with it. Your identity and self-image and your frequency is what gets reflected back to you as the fourth dimensional awareness through the 3D avatar. Because the 3D avatar you're embodying is just projecting a mental projection to you as the 4D awareness, and you as the 4D awareness is just perceiving that mental projection in a particular way. And that perception is how you create your own reality. Or that is the reality you experience as the 4D awareness and not the 3D avatar, bro. So this is why in reality transurfing or parallel universes itself, the core concept is you can choose how the script ends, but you can't currently change what you see, bro. So if I can choose how the script ends, it don't matter what the fuck is happening right now, bro. I know how it's going to end. So when you know how it's going to end, your emotions and identity is detached from what you currently see. And what you're affirming to happen will happen because it's literally spiritual law. This is why you're learning these fucking universal laws, so you can use them to your own benefit. That's why they're here, bro. So you got to understand, since this third dimension is a reflection to your awareness and your consciousness and your identity, your mind is the causal effect onto your reality, right? So instead of trying to scratch up the screen or change your current circumstances from within the circumstance or from within the limited avatar, change the source, my nigga, your identity, your awareness. What are you aware of 24/7? This is what gets reflected back to you, my nigga, as your reality, which is just a mental projection of your perceptions as the 4D awareness, bro. Really understand that shit, gang. So this is going to lead us into talking point number 2. Circumstances are old news. You have to realize this entire reality, quote unquote, which is a subconscious projection, is a delayed mirror to your identity and awareness. So you have to see your consciousness and reality as two different vibrations, as two different vibratory rates. Just like water turns into steam or how ice turns into water. These are the same thing, just at two different vibratory rates. So your reality is just solidified consciousness and awareness, right? Whatever you were previously aware of and whatever you previously identify with, it will solidify into your own reality. This is where the word manifestation comes from, right? Now, manifestation can be instant or it can take hella long. It's about how consistent are you inside this awareness. So if you want to experience something different in the mirror of reality, you have to make the first move in the mirror, bro. You always show proof and give proof to reality, and reality conforms to you, my nigga. Point blank, period. So this is going to lead us into talking point number 3. Circumstances mean what you decide they mean. However you define this thing that just happened to you, you will experience that perception. The only things you experience in this reality is your own perceptions of what just happened. Everything is neutral in the eye of the observer. You as the identity choose how you want to experience this circumstance. So if objectively some bad shit happened to me, I'm only experiencing that bad result because I perceive it as bad, right? But if I perceive this situation as working in my favor, I will only experience that perception, bro. Because your perception creates your reality. Your reality is being projected from your identity. The only way you can change your perception is if you be somebody new, right? So if you want to change your reality, become somebody new in the mirror of reality, gang. It's very, very, very simple. It's about what are you consistently aware of? Your most dominant assumptions and thinking patterns, bro. What are your beliefs about this topic? What are your most dominant thoughts about this topic? Your reactions, your actions, bro. Everything will fall in line when you become somebody new in totality. Don't waver out of that identity or you're going to be right. So this is going to lead us into talking point number 4, which is stay loyal to the new story. You can stay loyal to the old bullshit that you don't like. But when it comes time for you to experience something new, it's just so hard for you to have conviction in self to experience this reality. Why is that, bro? Do you understand what we're currently experiencing right now, bro? Like, really genuinely look around you, my nigga. Be aware of what you're doing. Really think about how crazy this entire reality is, bro. You're in a body with your blood pumping, your heart pumping, you got a brain, you got all these organs and shit. You don't feel them motherfuckers and you never seen them before, but you know they exist, right? You wake up every day, you breathe and shit. We in this crazy ass reality. You got birds outside flying, but you can't fly. But for some reason, you don't think you can experience what you want to experience. Why is that? Ask yourself that question, bro. Genuinely. Like, look, bro, it's trees outside. It's nature and shit. It's nature outside. You watching me through this black mirror and shit, bro. We have access to the internet and social media. We got motherfucking Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and shit, which is invisible. We can't even see that shit. We just open up our phones, use Face ID. This motherfucker scanning our face and shit. This is a crazy ass reality, bro. So what makes you think you can experience what you want to experience? What makes you think you can't have that person? What makes you think you can't have that money, bro? These limiting beliefs and thoughts are not yours. It is just the character you're embodying right now. If you want to change your reality, select a new character, my nigga. Visualize a new character. See yourself experiencing a new reality. Because when you visualize yourself doing some new shit, please understand that is you actively doing that new shit, bro. Your consciousness is formless. You have to occupy somewhere. You're not just floating out in the motherfucking ether, bro. You're actively experiencing that reality in another timeline as another version of yourself. So please understand that is you, bro. That's why you want it, my nigga. So stop staying loyal to the old script and the old story. It is not here to serve you. You're trying to escape it as the 4D awareness, but you're still in this limited third dimensional avatar, bro. Supersede this motherfucker. So what you need to do is select a new identity, stay in that identity in awareness, and just wait till reality reflects that back to you, bro. You don't need outside circumstances to tell you and give you proof of who you are. You tell reality who the fuck you are, bro. Cause you know who the fuck you are now, my nigga. You tell reality what to do, what to reflect back to me, what happens on a daily basis. You have that power, my nigga. Not reality, not no outside circumstance, not no outside person. These people and things are just reflections of what you possess inside. My nigga, really understand that shit, gang.